In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add Google Fonts to your website using HTML and CSS. And I will even share a pro tip on how to use the import function directly in your CSS file. By the end, you will know which method works best for you. So let's get started. Google Fonts is a free library with hundreds of fonts that you can use in your website. Instead of downloading and installing fonts, you simply connect to Google Fonts using a link or an import statement. Now let me show you both ways and explain the differences so you can decide which one is better for your project. Go to fonts.google.com, browse and pick a font you like. For example, let's choose the font Roboto. Click on the font and you will see an embed option. Google will give you a code that looks like this. Open your HTML file. Paste the link inside the head tag like this. Now to actually use the font, go to your CSS file or add a style tag in your HTML. Use the font family property to apply it. That's it. Save and refresh your browser to see the font in action. If you don't want to add the link in your HTML file, you can use the import method directly in your CSS file. On Google Fonts, instead of copying the link, switch to the import option. It will look like this. Open your CSS file and paste the import code at the very top. Save the file, refresh your browser, and you will see the font applied. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of both methods so you can decide which one works best for your project. When you use the link method in HTML, the font loads faster because the browser starts downloading it right away. It's easy to use and is the most common approach. However, the downside is that you need to add the link to your HTML file, which can be tricky to manage it if you are working with multiple files in a large project. On the other hand, using the import method in CSS keeps everything inside your CSS file, making your HTML cleaner, but the downside is that it's slightly slower because the font only starts loading after the CSS file has loaded. This method isn't ideal for performance-heavy websites. And that's it. Now you know 2 easy ways to add Google Fonts to your website using HTML and CSS. Whether you use the link tag or the import method, it's a quick way to make your website look more modern and professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any questions.